How to disable time-sensitive notification on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then here, you want to scroll down and tap on focus. There are various do not disturb modes that can be driving, one person, personal, sleep, and work. When you go ahead and tap on driving, you can see that you cannot disable any time-sensitive notifications as there is no apps. And when you go ahead and tap on one person, you'll be able to disable time-sensitive notifications on this. You can select any of the apps and now the apps will not be able to send notifications to you. And in the same way, you can also set up the work as same and other do not disturb modes. But you cannot do anything to driving mode because you will not be able to use anything while you're driving. So that is how you can disable time-sensitive notification on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.